Let me ask you this one question. Do you watch video every single day? You probably watch videos on the internet all the time. Do you know that you can actually make money online just by doing exactly what in this video? I will show you how to make money online just with the video that you watch on YouTube. You can earn up to $20 with this method. All you need are your laptop or computer and internet connection. You can even do this with just your mobile phone. This is the earning potential of this method. You can earn $20 from one playlist video and earn $200 from 10 playlist video, and then you can earn $500 from 20 playlist video. The best thing about this method is that this is 100% free, so you don't need to make any investment to get started. This method is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can do this and earn money over and over again. Stay tuned and watch the full video because I will be showing you some bonus tips and you can earn more money than anyone else. This is Money Dog, and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. And please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Let's go on YouTube right now and search for a plank tutorial. You can see that there are many different results. You can also see that these types of videos have thousands and thousands of views. Now let's utilize these videos so we can earn money in today's method. The next thing you are going to do is go to google.com and type in adfork.us, then press on the search button. There are many results that you can see right here, but I want you to click on this first link. This is the home page of the website. In this website, you can basically shrink and earn here. You can shrink some URL and share them on the internet and earn a lot of money. So let's give this a try. Go on YouTube and let's use this video right here as an example. Scroll down below and you will find this share button right here. I want you to click on the share button so you can see a YouTube link where you can share them on the internet. And every time people click on the link right here, they will be routed to this exact video. Once you copy the link, I want you to go back to adfork.us and then paste your link right here to make it shorter. This website basically makes a long URL into a shorter one. Once the person click on the link, you are going to earn a lot of money. If people from the United States click on your link, you can get to earn over $20. If people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you can get to earn over $10. This is a very good opportunity to earn money online just by sharing a simple link on the internet. Right now, I will show you how to sign up for a free account on this website. You can just go ahead and click on this sign up button right here, and this window will pop up where it says join adfork.us. All you have to do is type in the information needed like email and password, then click on this I am not a robot box right here, and this agreement terms and condition box, and then click on the join now button. Once you log into your account, you can see this message right here that says you haven't completed account information. Please update your account information in order to get paid. It is important to update your account so that you can get paid. When you cash out your earnings, just click on this account settings link right here, and then you will land on this page that says account information. This is where you can update the information that is needed for your account. Just type in here your name, city, state, zip code and country, so you can see here that they are available worldwide. Now you can proceed and complete the information needed. When you are through with that, you can just click on this update information right here. This website pays out using PayPal, so this is very convenient and very easy for you. When you update your information, you can scroll down below right here on the automatic withdrawal section. You can read it here that you can enable this option to automatically request a payment each month, so that it is very important for you to enable this option right here. Then after you click on the enable, click this update button right here. So now I will show you the payout rates by country. You can see here that when people from the United States click on your link, you are going to earn over $20, and when people from, let's say, Nepal click on your link, you are going to earn over $1. That's $19 difference. That's $19 difference. It's really big. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end, because I will show you some more about this method. You can see here that there are a lot of viral videos for doing planking. For example, this video right here, let's scroll down below and click on the share button right here, and then this video will pop up. Click on this copy button right here, and let's go back to adfork.us and paste the link on the bar right here. Once you paste the link on the website, I want you to click on this shrink button. This website will automatically shorten the link that you pasted. Now I want you to repeat this method 6 times. I want you to find 6 videos and copy the link of this video and shorten them on this website. The next thing that you are going to do is go to this website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a very famous website because a lot of people come on here to learn how to lose weight and become healthy. When you scroll down below, you can see here many posts about exercise and how to stay healthy. A lot of people are putting up some posts on this website. You can see here the views of each post, and a lot of people are viewing this post right here. For example, a lot of this video have over 10,000 views on this website. The first thing that I want you to do, you go to this website, is to click on the button right here. You can see here that you can actually select different countries. Now I want you to click on the United States, because when people from the United States click on your link, you are going to earn over $20, and that is very amazing. For example, this post right here, you can click on that so that you can know what the hot topic is right now. And to know more about this post, you can see here that in this post the people are leaving links that leads to video. This is a very good method to get traffic and to get many people around the world to click on your link. Right now I want you to share with a planking post template that you can get an idea on what to post on this forum. First, I give out information about planking. You can search on the Google for that, and when you scroll down below, you can see here that I put up the links that lead to a planking tutorial video. I recommended that you put up to 5 or more videos so that you can earn more money when people click on your links. That's how you are going to earn money with this method. And that's it for today's video. Thanks you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today. This is Money Door, and I will see you in the next video.